you want, this is match for your skin, but if you want highlight,
I like match. Yeah.
we can go like that.
Match is fine. As long as it's matches. But sometimes I just put concealer, nothing else.
Okay. So Rebel is good for you.
Rebel.
Rebel.
Perfect. That's the perfect combination. Shy and Rebel.
So for the powder, you'll get chai also.
Okay, shy also.
Sorry.
The bottle? Shy. So that's shy. So that's a perfect match, Ate?
Yeah, perfect match. Disappears in your skin.
It disappears in my skin. That's the new Tevian. That's the new Tevian foundation, right?
Yes.
Nice. Thank you. There, guys. Try my the foundation that disappears. My skin. Doing some more. So I'm gonna try again now the concealer. Let's go. There.
Hello.
Also there, so cute.
So this is the Cosmo.
Okay. It's the Cosmo.
Changes color when it hits the
Oh, it's like
rainbow.
oh nice. It's like a rainbow.
So this is the blue.
Okay. It's pink.
Yeah.
Oh wow.
When you put it in your skin,
Wow, right away.
yeah.
Wow, nice.
This one is Prosecco.
Okay. Prosecco. Nice. I think I like the pink one.
The Bellini.
Yeah. I like the Bellini.